Are you crazy? Because I know I am, and this is Cardfight Crazy. And today I don't have a Vanguard opening. Sorry. No, not in this video, future me. I'm sorry, but you saw the title. You should have realized what it was. Rondo of Chaos and Salvation hasn't come in. Not even sure that it's even been shipped. But I do have a bunch of product to open. Pokemon products. Like Mimikyu Pin Collection. And a Mega Powers collection box. While we're at it, how about another Mega Power collection box? Also, Decidueye GX Premium Collection Box. And a single pack of Steam Siege. Because that's what they had at my GameStop. They're doing the 50% off on some products. And, well, I just decided to go and get it. I had extra cash lying around. Don't need to use it for anything. But card game products, because this is what I like to spend my money on. Alright, I'm going to start with a Mega Powers collection box, because I got two of those. And we'll go to the you know what, let's just start with the single pack of Steam Siege. Okay, what will it be? I don't know. Okay, let's leave the code card in there because I don't want it telling me if I got anything good or not. What's it? Okay, Ponyta, Clink, Mantine, Joltik, Bergmite, Steelix Spirit Link, Clang, Special Charge, Bergmite Reverse Foil, and Primeape. Alright. Here we go. First pack. Now on to this big box. I don't open much Pokemon at all. I don't play much Pokemon. Really into Vanguard, but do play Pokemon, do have a deck. We do have a battle video. Oh my, I'm just tearing the whole thing apparently. Okay, well, let's just do that. There we go. Give a glimpse of all that. So what do we got? Primal Clash, Roaring Skies, Breakpoint, Fates Collide, Steam Siege, Evolutions, Breakthrough, Ancient Origins. The big card of Mega Lucario EX, Jolteon EX, Mega Manitrick EX, smaller version, correct version of Mega Lucario EX, and Zygarde EX. Okay. Yep, packs are falling at my feet. Okay, I guess we'll start with those. Just get these packs back up here. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in a closer look, Jolteon EX. Hold on. Jolteon EX, that way you can see the foiling a little better. Mega Manitrick EX. I don't know how I want to go over these. If I want to actually talk about their abilities, just read them off like I do Vanguard. That would take forever. So maybe just the special cards, the cards that the box is based around, or the foils. Okay, well, Got 106 HP on Jolteon EX. We got Swift for 1 electric, 30 damage. This attack's damage isn't affected by weakness, resistance, or any other effects of your opponent's Pokemon. Flash Ray, 70, 2 colorless and an electric. During your opponent's next turn, prevent all damage done to this Pokemon by attacks from basic Pokemon. Okay. Mega Manitrick EX, 210 HP, electric type. Turbo Bolt for an electric and colorless, 110 damage. Attach 2 basic energy cards from your discard pile to one of your bench Pokemon. Zygarde EX, HP 190, fighting type. For 1 fighting, Lance Pulse, just 20 plus if there are any Stadium card in play. This attack does 20 more, so it can do 40. Cellstorm for fighting and 1 colorless, does 60 damage and also heals 30 damage from Zygarde EX. And then 2 fighting and 1 colorless, Land's Wrath for 100 damage. And Mega Lucario EX, fighting type, 220 HP. For 3 fighting, Rising Fist, 140, and you discard an energy attached to your opponent's active Pokemon. Okay. Well, look at that. I will just leave those up there. They feel nice. And we got the big one. I'll just leave that in there for now, and let's get to these packs. There's the code card. Oh, and a Lucario Spirit Link. I did not know that Lucario Spirit Link came in here, but that makes sense. Just leave that stack over there. Okay, what do we got? Yep, Roaring Skies, Primal Clash, Fates Collide, Steam Seeds, Ancient Origins, Breakthrough, Evolutions, and Breakpoints. In the order that I just... let's put Evolutions last. There we go. Start with the Roaring Skies. Probably not going to be anything great then. Okay. Bagon, Pikachu, Natsu, Meowth, Cascoon, Togetic, Wide Lens, Dustox, Salamence, and Shaman EX. Well, wouldn't you have been great to pull a while back? Well now, Shaman EX, look at that. No longer tournament legal. And standard. Awesome. Ability setup. This is why Shaman EX is so great. When you play this Pokemon from your hand onto your bench, you may draw cards until you have 6 cards in your hand. Sky Return for 2 colorless, 30 damage. Return this Pokemon and all cards attached to it to your hand. 110 HP and a normal type. Shaman EX. Well, look at you. Okay. Cool to see. Cool to see Shaman EX. That's great to pull. Okay, on to the next pack. This one, Primal Clash, Nosepass, Volbeat, Spinda, Mudkip, oh I love that art from Mudkip, Phoebos, Vibrava, Professor Birch's Observations, Doublade, Probopass, and Swampert. Okay. Still, that Shaman EX. One just sitting in this box and that game stopped the whole time. Here we go. Snubble, Burmy, Cottony, Riolu, Gothita, Cincina, Devolution Spray, Duosion, Random Receiver, and Kabutops. Onto Steam Siege. Ponyta, Meowth, Litwick, Hoppip, Dano, Clang, Braviary, Bravery, probably just something like that, Armor Fossil Shielding, Tangrowth, and Shiftry. Oh, Aggressive Dark. Huh. Okay, Shiftry, 140 HP, Grass and Dark. See, I didn't know that they made cards like this. I knew a few. Wicked Wind for Grass, 40 damage until the end of your opponent's next turn. Each stadium or Pokemon tool card in play has no effect. And Extra Sensory, double colorless, 60 plus. If you have the same number of cards in your hand as your opponent, this attack does 60 more damage. Okay, cool. Shaymin EX, still the pull of the box, probably going to be the best pull I get this entire video. And on to Ancient Origins. Now, my deal with Pokemon, Persian, let's go through these first. Baltoy, Wooper, Gumi, Beldoom, Whimsicott, Hex Maniac, Bellossom, Metagross, and Mega Sceptile EX. Okay. Okay. 220 HP, Grass type, Mega Evolves from Sceptile EX. Jagged Saber, Grass and a colorless, 100 damage. You may attach up to 2 Grass Energy cards from your hand to your bench Pokemon in any way you like. If you attach energy to a Pokemon in this way, heal all damage from that Pokemon. Cool. Nice. Oh, that's full art too. God, look at that. Just noticing that now. That is full art too. Okay. Okay. As I was saying before I interrupted myself because I need to move the video along, my deal with Pokemon is that I don't really play the games that much. I played through Gold and Silver. Those were the two. Gen 2 was the generation that I was most involved with when they just added the 100 Pokemon to Gen 1. That's where I got into it. Then Ruby and Sapphire also played a bit, but just decreasing less so. The Pokemon TCG, though, I really do enjoy it. I just also don't play it much. I have one deck. I don't play it much because time, you know, just got college to go through and to deal with, so that takes up most of my time. Though there is more of a Pokemon scene where I'm at than, I mean, there's very little Vanguard. But I love the Pokemon TCG, just don't play it much and don't know much. I don't know much. I built my deck, and then after that, you know, I watch anytime the World Championships roll around or when they have big regionals. I watch most of the videos on YouTube and really do enjoy the game. I would say I like the Pokemon TCG more than I like the video games. Alright, Chespin, Zorua, Froakie, Snover, Cacnea, Granbull, Piloswine, Assault Vest, Goldeen, and Glalie EX. Okay, Glalie EX. Alright. 170 HP, Water type. Ice Breath for 1 water. Flip a coin if heads, your opponent's active Pokemon is now paralyzed. And for 1 water, 2 colorless. Instant Freeze, 50 plus if you have the same number of cards in your hand as your opponent. This attack does 100 more damage. Okay. So you can do 150. What was it? Extra sensory. Extra sensory can do 120. Okay. Yeah. Just try not to look at the code card because I don't want to know if we're gonna get something decent or not because of how much ink is on that. Psyduck, Phantom, Glameow, Gibble, Chikorita, Frogadier, Lapras, Max Potion, Honedge, and Manaphy EX. Man, I was wondering if it was going to be all cards of Pokemon that I didn't know, but then we got a Chikorita and Frogadier, Lapras, and Manaphy. Okay. Manaphy EX, 120 HP, Water type. Aqua Tube ability, each of your Pokemon that has water energy attached to it has no retreat cost. And Mineral Pump for double water, 60 damage, and heal 30 damage from each of your benched Pokemon. Okay. Come on, you. Well, you basically already saw it anyway. Sandshrew, Onix, Magikarp, Fighting type energy, Staryu, Slowbro Spirit Link, Super Potion, Charmeleon, Rattata, and Slowbro EX. Okay. Evolutions. So nice to see. 180 HP, Water type Pokemon got Slack Off. Double colorless, heals 60 damage from this Pokemon. This Pokemon cannot attack during your next turn. Then it's got Flash Splash. 3 water, wow, 100 damage. Got 3 retreat cost. Damn, Slowbro EX. Hope your Mega Form was alright. Okay, that does it for this first Mega Powers collection box. Of course, we got the 4 cards that are part of the Mega Powers collection. And then pulled Shiftry, Slowbro EX, Manaphy EX, Glalie EX, Full Art Mega Sceptile EX, and I mean, even though it's out of rotation in Standard now, it doesn't matter to me. It's still the creme de la creme. Shaman EX. Baby. I remember wanting Shaman EX when I was building my deck, but then rotation was coming soon because I was building my deck this summer. So rotation was coming where Shaman was going to be put out. So, alright. And replaced with, what, Tapu Bolo GX? Yeah, Tapu Bolo GX, who tutors out any. Alright, that was nice for this one. Now I've just combined it with the single pack. Oh well, I won't consider it all the same. Take this. I'll get those code cards out later. And let's move on to the Mimikyu pin collection. Yes, yeah. Mimikyu pin collection. That's what I'll open next. We're at 20 around, not 20 minutes yet, but around it. Okay, everything just falling apart here. Got those, that. First, let's take a look at the pin, I guess. Mimikyu. The fake Pikachu pin. I remember, I've only ever bought one other pin collection, and it was Darkrai. It was the Darkrai pin collection. I bought it because it was mislabeled over at Target. It was set on a shelf that had $1. And I had to... so when they checked it out, I was like, it says it's $1 over there. and the manager caved in, and so I bought it for $1. I was only allowed to buy one, but I bought it for $1, and it was fun. That was really the only reason why I got it, was because I had worked at Target in the past, and I hate Target. And we got Mimikyu, 70 HP and a Psychic type. Haunt for 1 Psychic Energy. Put 1 damage counter on your opponent's active Pokemon. And Astonish for double colorless. Choose a random card from your opponent's hand. Your opponent reveals that card and shuffles it into their deck. Oh, interesting. 3 packs, Sun and Moon, and Fates Collide. So let's go Sun and Moon, Fates Collide, Sun and Moon. So what's this? Solgaleo? What's your name? Okay. First Sun and Moon pack. Those two. Togedemaru. I don't know that one. Shelder. I know that one. Makuhita. Same there. Fido. Grubbin. How. Timer Ball. Oh, it's closer than I thought it was gonna be. Okay. Hold on. I'm moving it to the back, I hope. Timer Ball. I love Timer Ball. I use it. Ultra Ball. Also a great ball. Lunala GX. Okay. Pelipper. And a Dark Energy. I don't know how that pack was organized. Lunala GX. So, okay. So we get Lunala GX in the Solgaleo pack. Alright, nice. Lunala GX looks so good. Yeah, leaving that extra light on was better. I can show you the foiling really nice. Because on the last box opening video, I was trying to show off the different foiling and single R's for Vanguard, and it did not come up on camera. It came up on camera for like a split second. I was seeing it a bunch, but the camera wasn't. Okay, Lunala GX, 250 HP. Psychic type. Stage 2 evolves from... Is that Cosmoem? Yeah, like I said, I don't know this this newest set, or the newest generation of Pokemon, really at all. Psychic transfer ability. As long as you like during your turn, before you attack, you may move a Psychic Energy from one of your Pokemon to another of your Pokemon. Okay. Moongeist Beam 120. 4 Psychic Energies. The defending Pokemon can't be healed during your opponent's next turn. And Lunar Fall GX for 3 Psychic Energies. A GX attack. Knock out one of your opponent's basic Pokemon that isn't a GX. Okay. 2 Retreat Cost, Resistance, 20 Fighting type, and Weakness, Dark times 2. Well, now, okay. Get out of here. Snivy, Coughing, Larvitar, Volibee, Minchino, Arnino Spirit Link, Helix Fossil Osmonite, and Solosis, and Rotom. I consider this Mimikyu box a success. No matter what. Lunala GX is just a cool card to see. This box is a success. You get the pin. Okay. How was it done? I don't know. We're just going into it. Psyduck, Eevee, Pikipek, Alolan Meowth, Sandile, Dratini, Incineroar. Okay, that was him. Then we got a Steel-type Energy, Araquanid, Nestball, and Poliwhirl. Okay, do I have more? Yeah, I have the Decidueye GX box. What's it? Was it 4? Yeah, I think it's 4. Okay. Lunala GX. Alright. I will put that along with Mimikyu up here. put that stack right there. You got Decidueye GX and a Mega Powers collection box. Now, it might seem like I should do the Mega Powers collection last because I got two of them, so I opened with it. Essentially, I opened with a single pack, but I opened with it as the first collection thing. But Decidueye GX is my deck right now. So I'm gonna open Decidueye GX last. And we're gonna do another Mega Powers collection. This time it's upside down. Okay, let's see. Once again, Jolteon EX, Mega Manectric EX, or Zygarde, I said GX, now Jolteon EX, Zygarde EX, and Mega Lucario EX. Primal Clash, Roaring Skies, Breakpoint, Breakthrough, Ancient Origins, Evolutions, and Steam Siege. I will do Evolutions last again. Oh, Fates Collide, the Code Card, and Lucario Spirit Link. I didn't pull out the big one last time. Might as well. It's just a big Pokemon card. It is what it is. Mega Lucario EX. All the shine. Okay, that's the backdrop. Starting with Fates Collide. Because why not? Alright. Larvitar, Seal, Riolu, Jigglypuff, Fennekin, Whimsicott, Alakazam Spirit Link, Fairy Drop, Energy Reset, and Kingdra EX. 170 HP Dragon-type Pokemon. Big Storm for a colorless 20 damage and discard any Stadium card in play. Dragon Trail, triple colorless and a Water type. 60 plus, this attack does 30 more damage for each basic electric energy attached to this Pokemon. Okay, Kingdra EX. Roaring Skies. Oh, look at that, I was able to put that, able to figure out which way that one was going to open. Cascoon, Howlucha, Binacle, Inkay, Voltorb, Latios Spirit Link, Fletchinder, Fearow, Inkay, and Altaria. Nice artwork. I like that. Oh, that's kinda, oh, so that's a little, that's more artwork. It's kinda full art, but not totally. It's like 3/4. Yeah, it's 75% art. Okay, Rhyhorn, Spheal, Lotad, Bidoof, Staryu, Rhydon, Nidoqueen, Bidoof, Combuskin, Kingdra. Okay, so I put them. Got a card underneath the cameras. Underneath the. Okay, that's just Card. Kricketot, Shelender, Drowsy, Slowpoke, Clefairy, Electivire, Psychic's Third Eye, Dunsparce, Sigilif, and Greninja. Greninja, okay. First Pokemon deck I owned is, because I still have it, is the World Championship edition of the Greninja Break deck. So, you know, not tournament legal, but just something that I can play with my friends. Skeeto, Zodua, Vanillite, Flabebe, Zodua, Frogadier, Haunter, Granbull, Magnezone, and Chatot. I really like that Pokemon Company does put out those World Championship decks. I think they're great, and one of the reasons that I think they're great is because a new player can pick that up while learning how to play, and then have that as a template for building a deck. You know, not to copy that, but to understand a general way that Pokemon flows. Ralts, Golett, Eevee, Quagsire, Combee, Sceptile, Spirit Link, for that Mega Sceptile we got, Gloom, Ace, Trainer, Bellossom, and Registeel. See, the last box was so awesome. The last Mega Powers collection box was so awesome, but this one just has to balance out. And that's what's going on here, totally. It's just trying to balance out. Onto Steam Siege, Joltik, Mantine, Clink, Ponyta, Ponyard, Tangrowth, Gardevoir, Spirit Link, a card that I threw somewhere. There it is, Lampent. Lampent. Pop that on there. There we go. Armaldo and Yanmega. Okay, on to the evolution. The last Pokemon product I bought before all this was Shining Legends bundle. Yeah, the Shining Legends bundle, because those Ho-Oh sleeves, so good. Shining Victory, one of those, whatever it is. Ghastly, Diglett, Rattata, Charmander, Psychic Energy, Devolution Spray, Pokedex, oh man, Porygon, Magneton, and Mewtwo. I remember having this Mewtwo. Didn't know how to play when I was a kid, of course who did. But I did have some cards. Okay, well this box, we get the 4 promo cards, and then Kingdra. So we got our Mega Powers collection and a Kingdra EX. On to the last product that I purchased. Wow, this is still going to be quicker. I'm opening 5 different ones. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 different products. This is still going to be open quicker than a Vanguard booster box opening, because not going through every card. Alright, on to Decidueye GX. Let's get it out of there. Put Decidueye GX down. Yeah, so my deck I play is Decidueye GX, plus the Trashalunch. Can't remember. Okay, first things first. Get these out of here. These are going in the deck easily. And now to show them off, first thing, let's go with the coin first. Awesome. I'm going to use this with my deck. Definitely. And we will evolve up. Wow, are these warped? Wow, Rowlet, Dartrix, and Decidueye GX in that full art. He does not care. Feather Arrow. Once during your turn, before you attack, you may put 2 damage counter on one of your opponent's Pokemon. Razor Leaf, 1 grass, 2 colorless, 90 damage, and Hollow Hunt GX for 1 grass energy. Put 3 cards from your discard pile into your hand. 240 HP. Wow, are these warped? I'm going to have to warm them up. That's okay. That's okay. We can warm them up and get it back. Alright, we got a Steam Siege, a Breakthrough, 2 Guardians Rising, Sun and Moon Base, Evolutions, the Pin, which I forgot about. Once again, he just doesn't care. Decidueye, it's just looking great. The code card, and the big Decidueye GX. Well, look at how non-warped this one is. The big Decidueye GX, because when you don't give a shit, you need to just announce it to everybody by having a bigger card of yourself. Lay that down. And as I was moving the plastic, my hand hit the camera's, hit the viewfinder on the camera, closing it and turning off the camera. Well, that's okay. I didn't do anything other than turn the camera back on. We'll start with Steam Siege. Then I'll go to Breakthrough, then Evolutions, and Sun and Moon, and then I'll do the double Guardians Rising. Alright, Steam Siege up first then. Am I doing that right? I don't know. Litleo, Nidorino, Nidorano, Nosepass, Hoppip, Meowth, Driftblim, Zuelas, Clawfossil, Anorith, Xerneas Break, and Yanmega. Xerneas Break. Okay. 150 HP. Berry type. Evolves from Xerneas. Lifestream for 2. Hit the camera again. Wow, me. Wow. Okay, hold on. I gotta just. There we go. And we're back. Hit the camera. I had to adjust it. Lifestream, 2 Fairy Energy, 20 times. This attack does 20 times damage. Does 20 damage times the amount of energy attached to all of your Pokemon. Okay, there we go. Alright, yeah. I can't pretend to remember which way Pokeballs are red on the top, right? Yes. There we go. Oh, man. XY Breakthrough. I really don't play the games. Rufflet, Chespin. 2 different artworks. Okay, nice. Zorua, Froakie, Prinplup, Skyla, Glalie, Spirit Link is a 4 down. I should have been moving on 4. Mewtwo, Spirit Link, Reverse Ball. Oh no, there he Mewtwo EX, right there. No, I was doing it right. Mewtwo EX. Okay, for some reason I thought that Mewtwo Spirit Link was gonna be it. Alright, well, I do not know who those 2 Oh, no, that's 3 Pokemon. Is that... this is Zoroark right there, and then the other 2 I don't know besides Mewtwo. Mewtwo EX, Photon Wave, double colorless, 170 HP with the Psychic type. Double colorless Photon Wave does 30 damage during your opponent's next turn. Any damage done by attacks from the defending Pokemon is reduced by 30. Cyburn, double colorless, and then double Psychic, 120 damage. Full art, beauty. Beauty. On to Evolutions. Pikachu! What's up? I love the older artwork. Growlithe, Onix, Nostalgia, Nidoran, Charmeleon, Professor Oak's Hint, Nidorino, Potion, and Electrode. Nice. Gotta get them. Gotta catch them all. Pokemon. Sun and Moon base. With Lunala. So 4 on Sun and Moon. Drowsy, Grubbin, Fearow, Makuhita, Shelter, Water Energy, Metapod, Tortocat, Rainbow Energy, Poison Barb, and Palossand. Sand Palace is a Pokemon. Just a Sand Castle is a Pokemon. And yet, they're all still awesome. Rockruff. Oh. Okay. So I guess 4 worked. Rockruff, Barboach, Alolan Geodude, Fletchling, Petalil, Psychic Energy, Hala, Marine, Whimsicott, Energy Lotto, and whoa! Rare Candy! Oh man! Oh man! Don't you look beautiful? The gold border. Wait a minute, gold border? I missed out on Mewtwo being that insane. Oh man, but Rick. Oh man, gold border Rare Candy. Don't you look good? It's like, I remember when the set came out and they were talking like it was these golds and there were also like rainbow rares. Was it? Oh man, showing my very limited knowledge. This video has been great. Alright, Rare Candy, in case you don't know, choose one of your basic Pokemon and play. If you have a Stage 2 card in your hand that evolves from that Pokemon, put that card onto the basic Pokemon to evolve it. You can't use this card during your first turn, or on a basic Pokemon that was put into play this turn. Oh man, I do run Rare Candy, but that's not going in my deck. That's gonna be true. I guess I'm gonna go down to my LGS later with these. I'm gonna figure out what values I got here, maybe go down to my LGS and see what can be done. Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. Okay, I don't remember your name. So, second Guardians Rising pack. I can't remember the grass type Pokemon that I wanted out of the set, but it's the one that has like the move that when it comes into play, if it was on your bench and was switched to your active Pokemon, Golisopod. There it is. Yeah, Golisopod GX. That's what I really want. Alolan Sandshrew, Cottony, Bellsprout, Gligar, Alolan Geodude, Fighting type Energy, Weeping Bell, Glalie, Hala, Swellow, and Oricorio. Okay, these have been wonderful. This has been fun for me. Of course, Decidueye GX and basic and stage 1. Lunala GX. Great. Rare Candy. Mewtwo EX. Is there anything else? Break. Kingdra EX. And then our Mega Lucario, Jolteon, Mega Manectric, and Zygarde EX. All each. Move you to the back. Mega Sceptile EX, Glalie EX, Manaphy EX, Slowbro EX, Shiftry, Jolteon EX, Mega Manectric EX, Zygarde EX, Mega Lucario EX, and Shaman EX. Okay. I've been Joey. This is Cardfight Crazy. This is not a Vanguard video, but we do have one other Pokemon video on the channel. If you want to go check out that battle of me versus Jacob, you can. You don't have to, though. Stop hitting the camera, Joey. This is Cardfight Crazy. I hope you're crazy too.